ya Garissa kuria abiriirie icera gutwara mubango wa nyota na atongoria a mũingĩ mwena ũcio kuma Dadaab ni morĩtie president kuhingũra muhaka wa Kenya na Somalia niguo gucokia wonjoria mwena ũcio. Atongoria maugĩte thirikari no gũte irate mbeca nyingĩ kũhetũkĩra thogora cia magendo o ũndũ ũmwe na ũgitĩri gũtharara. Ningĩ ni morĩtie mekĩrĩrwo rami kuma mjini kinyagia Liboi ũndũ ũrĩa ũkũnyihia tharĩkĩra cia bomu iria itegagwo nĩ itoi.
Watu ya wakaji wa Garissa County sana sana pande wa Liboi Dadaab, boda ilikuwa inatusaidia kwa njia mingi kufanya biashara na kupata pia usalama. Hivi karibuni tunasema kwamba hata serikali imepotea ushuru mingi ambayo ingetusaidia. Boda ni kama officially closed lakini haijafungwa bado. Vitu zinapita, magari zinakuja, chakula inaingia. Tumekosa tu ile ushuru serikali ingebata.
We expect to get the tarmacking of the Dadaab-Liboi road. That is a road that has been forgotten for a long time. We expect you to give us that road tarmacked during your term.
After 63 years of independence, we feel that now we are part of Kenya. We appreciate your inclusivity, we appreciate your objectiveness, and we also appreciate for giving the young, talented, and well-educated youth of our country a chance to lead this country in different capacities.